I received this email from one of my viewers asking me how to invest $1,000 at 18 years old. So in this video, I'm going to answer exactly that. I copy pasted his email in here, that way it's going to be easier for us to read. But why should you listen to any of what I've got to say? Here I put some of my screenshots from my Stripe account so you can see some of my results. So for example, I've had transactions for thousands of euros or thousands of dollars. I've gotten notifications on my accounts from, for example, you received $1,000 on PayPal, or here on this day, as you can see on July 4th, from two payments, two customers, I made over 600 euros, which in US dollars is around 700 US dollars. Now, if you're wondering how did he make this money, it's pretty simple, by selling digital products. Why? Because digital products have 90 to 95% in profit. So when you see these numbers, know that I almost pocketed everything. Like 95% of it, it's profit. So it's not like these dropshipping gurus where they show you, oh, I made $10,000 in a day, but it's only, 5% profit, which is fucking shit. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. I've been watching you for like 3 months now, and I finally decided to send this because why not? My name is Nikola, I'm 18 from Serbia. So basically my situation. I've been working at McDonald's since last summer, every weekend, sometimes after school too. I saved up $1,000. For most people watching you, that's probably nothing. For me here, it's actually a big deal. It took me almost a year to get there. And now I'm just sitting on it and I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to just leave it in a bank account doing nothing. I want to make it work. I want to invest it so it makes money for me. My goal, honestly, $5,000 a month profit. I know how that sounds. But here in Serbia, that's life-changing money. That's move out, help my parents, never worry again money. That's freedom money. I mean, honestly, there's nothing wrong with wanting to make 5,000 bucks a month. You don't have to want to make $10,000 a month, $30,000 a month, or $100,000 a month. If you just want to make $5,000 a month, like for people in India, for example, that's a fuck ton of money. And if the average salary in your country, I don't know for sure in Serbia, let's look it up. Let's take a look at the median salary because if you look at the average, it's never going to be accurate because the people who make the most money, like the rich people, they're going to make like the average salary much bigger than it actually is. But that doesn't reflect the reality of how much people actually make in reality. That's in Reddit. They're saying median salary of the whole country is 640 euros. Average is, well, average doesn't matter. That seems insane. So approximately, again, that's the average salary. It's $1,300 per month, which is the average, meaning it's higher than the median. The median is probably 300 bucks less. So if you make $5,000 a month in Serbia, then I guess, yeah, that's a lot more money. It's like making $10,000, $20,000 a month in the US, maybe. Maybe not $20,000 a month, but like 10K per month, I guess. The problem is I genuinely don't know who to trust. I found your channel and you just seem like someone who actually tells the truth, so here I am. I mean, the reason why I tell people the truth about this is because if you, like I've followed plenty of, gurus and stuff, and they're telling you to drop shipping and maybe they made some money with it, but they make the biggest bulk of their money selling courses because, hey, selling courses is the best way to make money. That's why I sell courses. I'm making this video to sell my course. Like, yes, I am. And if there's someone watching this video right now thinking, oh, well, that's bad, you shouldn't be selling, you shouldn't be making money, get the fuck out of here. Don't be like these pussies who are like, oh, I don't want to sell anything, I have nothing to sell you. Even when Alex Hormozy had, I've got nothing to sell you on his banner, I knew he was full of shit. Like, this renowned businessman wouldn't be making content just to sell you nothing, just because, oh, it's fun, or just because, oh, lol. Nobody fucking does that, except retarded YouTubers who become famous, and now they make barely any money to afford a security team. So now they've got all the downsides of fame, like people finding your address, stalking you, all this weird shit, harassing your family members, but they don't even make enough money to afford a fucking bodyguard, or to live in a beautiful home remote, where there's no one. That's fucking insane to me. The other thing is my parents. They want me to go to university, study engineering, get a good job, and look, I get it, they sacrificed a lot. I'm not trying to disrespect them, or disrespect that, but I look at that path and I just see 5 years of my life gone, debt, and then working for someone else until I'm 65. I don't want that. I can't explain it to them without it turning into an argument. This, I completely understand that. Like, ever since I was a kid, I saw my parents being miserable, working jobs they hated. They weren't making much money at all, like, a few $1,000 a month. Like, not even 3K per month. We were super fucking broke. I mean, the other day I talked about this on a Q&A call with my clients. One of them told me, like, the average salary in Europe, it's fucking shocking. Like in France, the average salary or median salary, it's like between 2 and 3K per month, which it's fucking nothing. That's before taxes. And in France, if you look it up, like even in most Western countries, the income tax bracket goes up to 45%. So it's like fucking communism. It's just disgusting. Because also, like, you pay so many taxes and then the cost of life keeps rising year after year, and there's more criminality, meaning more insecurity. Now you can't let your daughter just go outside for a walk, otherwise she's gonna get fucking murdered and raped. So that's lovely, And you work a job you hate just to fucking pay your bills to keep working. Like, that's fucking pathetic. But that's life for most people. And so your parents, yeah, they don't want you to be homeless. That's why they're telling you, go to university, study engineering, get the good job. Maybe you'll make $2,000 a month in Serbia. Because in the US, an engineer could make 10K per month, 5K per month, whatever. But in Europe, you make way less. You just make way less money and you pay more taxes. And he's smart because he doesn't want that shit. He probably doesn't give two fucks about engineering. Like, some people are really passionate about it. Great. But he probably isn't. Most people are not passionate about their jobs. They fucking hate it. Again, they just work to pay their bills to keep working. How much of a fucking pathetic existence that is. It's horrible. And your parents tell you to do that because, I mean, being homeless is worse, duh. And also because that's the only path they know. Your parents are probably not rich because if they were, they'd be telling you something different. If they were rich, they'd probably give you their business, so you've got life on easy mode if you're rich. Like, at least if you're born rich, in a rich family. Because your parents basically did all the work for you. When you're like me, and like this young man, you come from fucking nothing, so you have to do all the work yourself. Because otherwise you don't break the cycle of poverty. Otherwise you will probably have a family, and they'll be just as poor as you, if not poorer, in fact. Because the middle class is becoming poorer and poorer and poorer, and the rich are becoming richer simply because of the way that money works. Like, the more money you have, the easier it is to make more money. It's not because they're evil or whatever the fuck people say sometimes with their fucking communist mindset. But that's basically results, and that's time. If you invest $1, you'll be dead before you get here, before you see like any kind of compound effect. If you invest $1 million, it goes like this. Like, if you look at any rich man's net worth, like for example, Warren Buffett, people who invested in the stock market, their net worth goes like this. That's the curve. It goes like this. It's never, linear growth. Linear growth fucking sucks. Your salary is a linear growth, except the ceiling is really fucking low. Like, the ceiling is like 3K per month. It's fucking nothing. Or dollars, euros or dollars, whatever your currency is. And you pay taxes. So because you don't make much money, they're not gonna tax you 50%, but that's not necessarily true because the salary that you receive from your employer is actually a lot less than what originally the company paid. Like, for example, even with my business in France, if I want to pay myself a salary, let's say, broke ass salary, $2,000 a month. Well, first I've had to pay corporate tax, which is between 15 to 25%, depending on how much you make. And then I have to pay my salary twice, basically, because of all these social contributions, fucking bullshit crap that goes to fucking peasants who never work, like people who don't work and just benefit from the system. And then I've got to pay income tax. So you pay taxes 3 fucking times. It's a joke. So this system is fucking shit, we all know that. And if you are someone, you're a young man, you've got any shred of ambition in your fucking soul, you cannot accept this. No wonder why this young man, Nicola, doesn't want to fucking study engineering because why? He doesn't fucking care about it. Maybe his passion is cooking, but like, if you just follow the traditional path, if you just cook or you're a painter, you're gonna make fucking no money. Whereas with the way that I'm teaching people how to sell digital products, you can make more money than the people who study engineering for 5 years and have a good job and they've worked that job for 10 years. While you sell stuff on cooking or painting. So it's pretty fucking insane. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. He says, I don't want to be broke and I don't want to be a slave to a job I hate. I want to build something. I just don't know where to start with what I have. So my question is simple, I guess. What would you do with $1,000 if you were 18 and starting from zero? Is it even possible to turn this into more, or am I just dreaming and that's not enough? So I'll tell you straight up, it's more than enough. When I was 18 years old, I had like $400 in my checking account in the bank. So it's not that much. You had more than me, actually. So congrats on you for saving up that money. And since you live with your parents, you do have an advantage because you're not paying rent. So that means you can basically live for free. Like maybe you have to do a few chores and sometimes they piss you off, they make too much noise. I get it. But at least you don't have to pay rent because rent is so fucking expensive. And if the average salary in Serbia is $1,300 a month, I mean, I don't know how much rent is, but I hope it's not, like $800 because that'd be fucking nuts. So if I were 18 all over again, what would I do? Well, I'm going to tell you to do the exact same thing I did. You start an online business and either you sell services or you sell digital products from the start. So what's the difference? When you sell services, it's like you're self-employed. You're not really a business owner. Why? Because you do the work for a customer. So instead of doing the work for a boss, you do the work for a customer. So usually it's quicker to get started and to make initial sales. Why? Because people are lazy as fuck and they want you to do the work for them. It's easier, on paper at least, to sell an offer where you do something for someone else as opposed to teaching something. But honestly, that might not even be true anymore. For example, let's say your passion is cooking. How do you monetize it? Go for a digital product. Don't go and try to start some bullshit AI automation agency. Who gives a fuck about this shit? Unless you are passionate about it, then do it. But if your passion is cooking or fitness, I'm telling you, start an account on social media. Preferably YouTube, it's the best platform to sell. Forget about TikTok and all the other platforms. Pick YouTube, make videos. If you can make a video a day, a long form video, I'm not talking about shorts. If you can make a long form video a day for a year straight, you won't be making maybe not necessarily $5,000 in your first month, like per month. It can happen, but you'd be making at least 1K to 3 to 4K, honestly, per month. And if you're in Serbia, well, that's a lot more money. Like the advantage is you speak English, meaning you can charge US prices. So for example, you can sell people like, let's say your passion is cooking, you've got a community where people learn healthy recipes, you can start it at $27 a month. And then the more people join, you can increase it to $69 plus per month. And if you have 100 people in the community with $27 a month, well now, if we just do the math, I'll pull out the calculator so you know it's the real math. If we have 100 people in the community, you are making more than people make in Serbia with bullshit jobs while you do something that you love. And if you think that, oh no, it's too good to be true, you can't make money doing something you love, let me show you this guy. He's called Sam, and he's got over 400 members paying him $39 a month to learn how to paint. So if we just do the math, 485 times 39, actually, we'll remove the 4 people, the 4 admins. 485 minus 4 times 39, he's making 29 grand a month. That's like over 200 grand a year, like teaching people how to paint. And that's the lowest price point. If you click on join, as you can see, there's different plans. He's got a $299 a year plan. He's got a $1,500 a year plan. So some people get this option. Some people get this option. So he makes a lot more money around this passion. Like back then, if you wanted to make money being a painter, people would have, like, you would have been basically either fucking famous, like Leonardo da Vinci or whatever, or you would have been fucking poor. Nowadays, like, I don't think most people on the planet know Samuel Earp, right? He's not like Da Vinci or something. Everybody knows Da Vinci. But he's managed to get a lot of people in. And the way that he's monetizing this is actually quite simple. If we go to his YouTube channel and we go to his videos, he's posting like videos of him painting and stuff. Like imagine that's what you love to do. You love painting. You post a video of yourself painting. Sometimes you post some tutorials and you make more than doctors make in Europe. How fucking insane is that? And if you're watching this and you've got limiting beliefs about like, how do I start this exactly? Well, click the link in the description below and I'll teach you everything step by step. Again, I've made thousands of dollars per day selling digital products, so I do know what I'm talking about. But you have to ask yourself, like, what's the other option? Let's say, oh, it might take a bit of time to get some views on my YouTube, whatever, to sell my product. Okay, sure. What's the other option? Starting some shitty SMMA that nobody's gonna buy your stuff because there's so much competition, it's fucking crowded. Losing money with dropshipping because it's not an actual business model. Or worse, just like wasting years of your life to become an engineer or something you don't care about. And that applies to not just Nicola, but everyone watching this video. Everyone. So yeah, it might take you a year, let's say, to get to $2,500 a month. That's time and that's results. And let's say that's 1 year, okay? That's 2 years and that's 3 years. By year 1, results are, let's say, $2,000 a month. That's when you reach the most freedom, you know? Freedom isn't necessarily making $10,000 a month. It's like knowing you wake up every day and you do something you love and you're getting paid for it. And you don't have to work a job you fucking hate. That's freedom 101. That, in my opinion, is so much better than any materialistic shit making 10K per month could buy you. And then maybe by year 2, it keeps growing, and now you're making $5,000 a month. And by year 3, now you're making 15K per month. See? But with the engineering job, by year 3, you would still be fucking studying. Or you would just be starting to work and you'd be paid $1,000 a month. So what's the alternative? Do the work and get fucking rich. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.